Sean gets a bit peckish.
Enjoy this and then we'll go and check out Scarborough Sea Life.
And talking of Coaster Dad, I sat down to watch his amazing video about the history of Flamingo Land.
And the first thing to note is that in 1963 the park got some dolphins.
Oh, however, if you do want something to liven you up, watch some Q4 coasters.
Oh, well, I did Hyperion this weekend, Jimmy. What did you do? My girlfriend broke up with me. We already know I have some strong opinions on Saw. Meaning that it's possible to hit. Oops, my bad.
I'm awake! A cupcake disappears at Chessington.
But how's that out of 10? Charlotte's cake. Whoa!
Gone.